Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is my first post about my channel. So today we'll be exploring the world of sorting algorithms in Java. So we're going to implement three classic methods: bubble sort, insertion and sort, and selection sort. So buckle up and let's dive in. So we had to first take a look at the overall structure of code. We have a class name and sorting containing its main logic, bubble sort, insertion, and selection sort, and the method helper method we have print array. So, so our bubble sort is algorithm integrates through the array repeatedly. Each pass it compares adjacent element. So if elements are in the wrong order, so in the current element is greater than the next element, it then swap. So insertion is through array consider each elements from second elements onward or before the sorted subarray. Initial just be the first element. To the largest element, the one position to the right and creating a space